Hello, thank you for joining me here today. My name is Kevin Seaver. I'm a trusted lawyer since 1991, recognized expert, successfully specializing in fighting the Department of Children and Families, more commonly referred to as DCF, throughout the entire state of Massachusetts, turning negatives into positives, in and out of court. I want to talk to you today about do-it-yourselfers. We all know them, we all see them. They're the type of people that do everything themselves. They cut their own lawn, they cut their own shrubs and bushes, they paint their own homes. They do things inside the houses, repair the grout in their bathroom, or they repair the kitchen cabinets, or they paint the interior or exterior of their homes. I'm not that talented. I envy people like that because I'm not a do-it-yourselfer. I'm not good at that. But they believe they can do anything because they're a do-it-yourselfer. Now when it comes to DCF, they think they can do the DCF case too, on their own. They are unprepared and therefore unsuccessful. And after the fact, they wonder why they failed. Well, you failed to prepare, you prepare to fail. And I can't tell you how many clients come into my home, and recently I had John and Jane come into my office and tell me how they had an investigation and how because of the investigation didn't go well. And what they did was they yapped and yapped and yapped, and I call it diarrhea of the mouth. And they filled up all types of silence with talk. And they didn't listen to the questions being asked, and they just kept trying to sell themselves to DCF, which is the wrong way to go about things. They also allowed their children to be interviewed alone with DCF, another huge mistake, and they knew it after they got the reports back. And it was apparently clear what was going on. But they were do-it-yourselfers. They knew how to do it. They didn't know how to represent themselves. They were wrong. They didn't know what their legal rights are. And if you don't know what your legal rights are, you have no legal rights. And they failed miserably. Now they're in duck soup. They're involved with DCF. DCF's got them on the central registry as a perpetrator of child abuse towards their children. And they say it's all false, but because they would do it yourselfers and they were unprepared, therefore they were unsuccessful. The moral of today's story is, don't be a do-it-yourself when it comes to DCF. When DCF knocks on your door, call me, call attorney Kevin Seaver. 617-263-2633. Again, call me when DCF knocks on your door. Call Kevin Seaver now at area code 617-263-2633. You and your children have constitutional rights. Your children may be smart but not stupid. Do not allow them nor yourself to be interviewed alone. Don't be a do-it-yourselfer. Thank you.